Hey, how you doing? Test. How you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Audio Room Show. And I've been having some comments about my audio, and I apologize for that. It seems like the two computers that I record my videos, I've had audio problems. One is the computer upstairs, which is running the latest version of Windows. About 2 months ago, I got a Windows update and the audio is screwed up. When I tried to record a show, my audio is coming out my speakers, so I get this echo effect. So I have to unplug the speakers to record an audio. Now down here, I'm running Windows 10, but it's not the latest, and I've had problems with my microphones and my mixer, whatever. So, and the problem just started out is, it's just off camera, but the studio mic, which hangs down, it's right up there, is what I normally used to grade microphone. I never had any problems with it. But when I try to do shows where I'm in other parts of my workshop, then that studio microphone doesn't follow me, so the audio goes to zero. So I tried an old lapel microphone, and it seemed to be working, but once again, I was still struggling getting enough audio out of it so that people didn't have to turn up their speakers. And so I ordered a new lapel microphone, which I'm using now. So hopefully that's fixed the problem. I'm not sure. This is a test. Let me know if the audio now is a decent level. It's not too low, it's not too low. I don't think it's ever been too loud, but it quite often has been too low. And in my last video, people reported that there was a high-pitch squeal or something in the background. I could not hear it when I played the video back. That could be due to my hearing going bad, which is everything else is falling apart. Wouldn't surprise me. So please give me feedback as far as the audio, and I appreciate all your comments helping me out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.